How do you play Irish fiddle? If you have ever found yourself enchanted by the lively tunes of traditional Irish music, you may be curious about how to play the Irish fiddle. This instrument is a key part of Irish culture and music, and learning to play it can be a delightful journey. Let's break down the steps to get you started on this beautiful instrument. First, you need to ensure your fiddle is properly tuned. The standard tuning for an Irish fiddle is G, D, A, and E. This is the same as a violin, so if you have experience with that, you are already on the right path. Next, hold the fiddle correctly. Rest it on your left shoulder with the neck pointing slightly upwards. This position will help you play comfortably. Now, let's talk about bowing. Bowing is a fundamental technique in Irish fiddle music. Start by practicing simple bowing exercises. Focus on using your wrist and forearm to create smooth movements. This will help you achieve a consistent tone. Fingering is another essential skill. Learn the basic finger positions on the fingerboard. Start with simple tunes that requiring minimal finger movement. This will help you build confidence as you progress. When it comes to choosing tunes, select those that are easy to play. Traditional Irish tunes like jigs and reels are great for beginners. They often have a lively rhythm that makes them fun to learn. Regular practice is key to improving your skills. Dedicate time each day to work on your bowing and fingering techniques. If possible, consider learning from a qualified teacher who specializes in Irish fiddle music. They can provide personalized feedback and help you develop an authentic sound. As you learn to play, immerse yourself in the cultural context of Irish music. Attend traditional Irish sessions where you can play alongside other musicians. This experience will deepen your connection to the music and the culture. By following these steps, you can enjoy the rewarding experience of playing the Irish fiddle. It is a wonderful way to connect with the rich musical heritage of Ireland while traveling through this beautiful country. So grab your fiddle, tune it up, and let the music begin.